Matthew 1:13. Zerubbabel de egenesenton Abihud. Abihud de egenesenton Eliakim. Eliakim de egenesenton Azor. Continue reading here from the genealogy of Messiah Jesus, and we read, and Zerubbabel begat, or fathered, Abihud, and Abihud begat Eliakim, and Eliakim begat Azor. Now, just out of curiosity, I glanced at the BDAG lexicon on all of these names, and every single one of them had the note do you remember what that means? Yes, indeclinable, meaning that this is the nominative form, this is the genitive form, this is the dative form, this is the accusative form. It does not change, right? The form does not change. This is quite common for words, especially proper nouns that are borrowed from another language. It was also interesting looking there at some of the etymology of the underlying Hebrew names. And so for the name Zerubbabel, I'm glancing at it right now. Donker's abbreviated lexicon makes the note that this Hebrew name is originally of Akkadian origin, and you can see sort of the root there for seed if you're familiar with Hebrew vocabulary, but the name of Akkadian origin meaning seed or descendant of Babylon, Zerubbabel, seed or descendant of Babylon, referring to the underlying Hebrew name, which is represented, transliterated in Greek here. We also have the name Eliakim, and Donker's lexicon helpfully notes that in Hebrew the name means God raises up. We have just a moment left, and some people have joined in who haven't been with us all along, so let's just quickly remind ourselves of the parsing of this verb that we've seen over and over again. It's from the verb genao, to beget, to father, to sire. We see that this word has an augment. It has a sigma. Bam! That's going to make it an aorist. It's an aorist active indicative, and that's a third-person singular ending, as this word, as it occurs over and over again, has a singular subject. For example, here, Eliakim fathered, right, aorist active indicative, third singular of genao, and then the direct object in the accusative case. Eliakim fathered Azor.